Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're breaking down Verisk Analytics, ticker VRSK. Zooming out in a monthly time frame, we can see that this stock has been hammered from all-time highs around 315 to 320 and dropping all the way down before finding its footing. It's currently trading around 187, and on a weekly time frame, we can see uh, the price sitting right at our key support level. This downfall was largely driven by the broader tech sell-off that's been playing out recently. And on the daily chart, the trend has clearly been down, but yesterday and today gave us a bullish candle, reacting right off this support zone. Now, looking at the daily chart, the downtrend has now broken. If you see this chart, the trend line, you can see the bullish candle broke the trend line and gave us a closing. Now, for an aggressive entry, this is typically where the traders look to get in. Once the trend breaks and the price makes a new low, then starts pushing it back up. So this is where, I'm repeating myself, this is where the trend was broken and the price went down, making it a new low, and this is the bullish candle. For a more short-term trade, I like to zoom in to a 2-hour chart. Now, my personal approach to spotting a trend shift isn't just a trend line. I look for a change of character, specifically when price breaks through more than two supply zones. Once that happens, it's a strong signal the trend is shifting upward. Usually, I do it in a daily chart, but since the price has been supported by this support zone really strongly, I'm positive that this is gonna work. Now, on this 2-hour chart, we can see the stock bottoming out and starting to climb. There's a supply zone it initially couldn't break around this area. Then after a pullback, it broke through, giving us a sideways signal, and it ran into another supply zone, this one. And this supply zone was broken by this candle today. So this price is now hovering around, the price is hovering around this area, meaning this supply zone is broken, which is a signal for an uptrend. And now from here, I'm expecting the price to pull back once it reaches a bigger supply zone above this. If that happens, my entry would be the first demand zone below, an area also backed by strong volume and also same candle that broke the previous supply zone, this one. So if you can see this, I have two smaller zones here, DZD and DZ15. So my planned entry would be around 180 to 182-ish area and stop loss around probably 175 area. And the target would be based on how the candle moves, but at least it will be 1:2 ratio. So if the price breaks below and comes back up to this structure, I'd expect it to push toward 215 area over the time. Um, and once it hits reaches to 15, and it's gonna follow the same pattern we've seen and which really plays out well. So that's the breakdown on Verisk Analytics for today. And if you enjoy these videos, drop a like and share it with your trading friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.